Good evening. Whenever a person commits a crime, that person will be taken to the court. And we have a very big hierarchy in the court system. After the delivery of the judgment in the lower court, the lower court itself is taking a lot of time for the purpose of disposing the case. It will be looking into various aspects and it will be taking the case, and the cases are going on very slowly. And if the judgment is delivered also, the persons who are convicted, so they are not bothered, because they know that there is something called high court, and even after that high court you got the supreme court. There were so many cases in India like this where some people have died and finally they were not given the punishment. But how long it will take? So that's the reason why in the year 2013, and of course this is applicable to this all the people equally, and especially the representatives of the people, meaning the members of Lok Sabha, the members of Rajya Sabha, the members in the state legislative assemblies, and the members in the state legislative councils. In certain cases they are also involved, so they are accused, and certain judgments were given against them. But by taking the loopholes in the system, in the legal system, so they were escaping like anything. So from lower court, again, they have the opportunity to go to the high court. Even after, when the case is pending in the high court, they can still continue as the members of the legislatures. That's the reason why in the year 2013, Supreme Court took it very seriously, and Supreme Court ruled that any representative, any people's representative, if convicted by any court, if convicted by the lower court for 2 years or more than 2 years, if any people's representative is convicted by any court with 2 years or more than 2 years of sentence, then obviously the person has to be disqualified immediately. And in this, because of this particular ruling, Congress party's Rashid Masood became the first person to get disqualified. It happened in the year 2013, and Rashid Masood was a member of Rajya Sabha at that time, immediately followed by Lalu Prasad Yadav. And of course, we have seen some people like, Ms. Jayalalitha, who also got disqualified like this. But if the case is dragged in the lower court, then what will happen? That's the reason why Supreme Court took it very seriously again last year on December 14th, 2017. December 14th, 2017, Supreme Court ordered the central government to establish special courts, at the earliest, and those courts must try the cases where the MPs and MLAs are involved, meaning where the public representatives, people's representatives are involved, their cases must be fast tracked. Otherwise, what happened? The person is accused and the case is going on for years together. Still, the person is contesting in the election and he is becoming the representative. In order to stop that one, in order to stop such type of criminalization of politics, Supreme Court gave an order and asked the central government to establish such courts, and those courts have been established. 12 courts have been established by the central government, and the same thing has been intimated to the apex court. So from now onwards, we can see that more than 1300, I think 1200, 1213 33 cases are there. All these cases will be transferred to the special court, and we can expect the disposal of these cases within 1 year. And if they are convicted for 2 years or more than 2 years, then these people will be disqualified immediately. And so many people throughout the country, so they will become the you know uh, examples for this particular one. Otherwise, in a democracy, people should be given the highest priority. People know that some are criminals, but still they are getting elected. and they are becoming our representatives. And the latest ruling of the Supreme Court is going to stop that one. And within 1 year from now, so we can see so many such type of cases will be disposed by the special courts. Kindly remember, 12 courts have been set up by the central government only for this particular purpose, to look into the, to fast track the cases where the MPs and MLAs are involved. Am I clear? Altogether, 1233 cases are there. Fine. Now, I would like to show you the document. Kindly have a look at this. Look at this. Now, look at this. So it has been intimated by the Supreme Court, by the central government to the Supreme Court. How many special courts? 12 special courts. Is that okay? And this is across 11 states. Is that okay? What is the purpose? Exclusively, no other case will be coming to this court. Only these will be trying the sitting MPs and MLAs. Clear? And in Delhi, you have these two. In Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, UP, Bihar, West Bengal, Maharashtra, and Madhya Pradesh. Okay, and out of all these, please remember, six are the sessions courts. Six are the sessions courts, and remaining five are the magistrate courts or magisterial courts. Very important one. Please remember this one, right? And uh, in fact, this particular order was given by the Supreme Court on December 14th, 2017, last year. Is that okay? And and some more courts are also going to come up. And the basic purpose is to fast track the long pending trials of lawmakers. Clear? Our representatives are lawmakers. We know that these are criminals. They are still going to the parliament, going to the state legislatures, and sitting over there and making the laws. Clear? That is nothing but an insult to a democracy. Clear? And these special courts will be devoting themselves only for this purpose. Look at this. Central government said there are 1233 cases that have been transferred. Is that okay? That have been transferred to this special courts. Right. So these type of topics are important for you whenever you write something about criminalization of politics. Clear? So India, a democratic country, so we can no more afford such type of people to be the lawmakers. And hopefully, so many such people who are considered to be fraud, who are considered to be criminals, they should be out. They should be out of the politics. And hopefully, India is going to see very good politicians in future who are committed to work for strengthening the democratic values in the country. Thank you so much for being with me this evening, and I wish you all very good luck and have a good sleep. Good night. Thank you.